video, I'm going to show you how to replace the brake fluid that's in your master cylinder. This is done as part of a preventive maintenance program because brake fluid collects moisture and metal particles over time. So it's important to keep the brake fluid changed and clean to make sure your brakes are functioning correctly. You can see I have the master cylinder cap and the filter screen off on this car already. The vacuum bleeder has an attachment that goes to a bleeder screw and another attachment that goes into the master cylinder. And I'm using the master cylinder attachment now, and it just looks like a rubber hose with a straw on the end. And that straw can get down to the bottom of the master cylinder so you can get out all the fluid. I did have to reposition the straw a couple of times to make sure I got all of the fluid out of the bottom of the reservoir. Once you have all the fluid out, you need to refill it. I'm using a filling type reservoir for that. You could just pour it out of a bottle if you'd like. And then once I fill the master cylinder with fluid, I need to take care. You can see I have a fender cover and a towel here so I can clean everything up. I'm not making a mess or dripping brake fluid on the customer's painted surface.